Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum from Royal UTV. Ark of the Covenant or Tabut-e-Sakina was an important box which people of Bani Israel kept for centuries and was very precious and sacred to them. The Quran referred to it in Surah Al-Baqarah as a sign of tranquility, which also means as a sign of victory for Israelites. It contained, according to some narrations, valuable and important articles such as the tablets of Moses, the staff of Moses, original sample of Torah which was written by the order of Moses and handed over to children of Levi, and a bottle of man, which was food of Bani Israel during Exodus. This Ark of Covenant was in addition a sign of Khilafah of Saul, Hazrat Talut. The ark was lost after the conquest of Jericho, and it was considered as a guarantee for the Israelites to remain invincible as long as the Ark of Covenant was among the Israelites. After a long time and many years, it came back to Israelites again, when Prophet Saul, Hazrat Talut, led them to the victory against Philistines. In 587 BC, the Babylonians destroyed Jerusalem and Solomon's temple. An ark was lost again during this war. As we have mentioned, Ark of Covenant is a sign of victory and Khilafah according to the verse 248 of Surah Al-Baqarah. And if we take a closer look at the hadith of Rasulullah ﷺ about the Ark of Covenant, then we can better understand the meaning of it, to be found again during the period of Imam Mahdi. According to hadith, which is written in Kitab al-Fitan by Imam Nuaym bin Hammad, that Ark of Covenant is a sign of Imam Mahdi, and he will take out the ark from a cave in Antioch. Then he will show it to the Jews, and many of them will convert to Islam, but not all of them. So again, we can say that Ark is also a sign of Khilafah of Imam Mahdi, and similarities between the incident of Prophet Saul, Hazrat Talut, and future appearance of Imam Mahdi are quite obvious and clear. Both Jews and Christians are looking for the Ark of Covenant for centuries, but they never found it. Knight Templars came to Jerusalem for this purpose because they believed that Ark was kept hidden by some Israelites during the invasion of Jerusalem by Nebuchadnezzar. It is said by some Orthodox Christians that final resting place of the Ark is probably Ethiopia, where it is guarded by priests. No one is allowed in to see, so it is impossible to confirm that it is the Ark of Covenant. We will conclude this here. Thank you and fi amanillah. Please like, share and discuss this video. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.